Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best digital laser distance meters that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, Digital Laser Distance Meters with Bluetooth 4.0 by Leica. Today is a good day to say goodbye to the old measuring method that requires you to drag the measuring tape across the room. Over here, we have a product from Leica Geosystems, and this tool can work well in the range of 330 foot. This smart device is also built in with the Bluetooth 4.0, therefore, it allows you to transfer files to other devices easily. With this product, you can also keep the information on the last 10 measurements too. What's more, this laser distance meter is both dust and splash resistant. At number 4, Bosch GLM20 Blaze 65 feet laser distance measure. The Bosch Blaze GLM20 laser measure is an easier, faster and more accurate way to measure. It delivers laser precision technology and real-time measurement mode, taking instant and reliable measurements up to 65 feet, so one person can size up the job in seconds. The Blaze GLM20 laser measure is ready for anywhere portability. It has a backlit display for easy viewing, even in dark areas. The laser measure is simple to operate, so users need only press one button to get accurate measurements to within 1/8 inch and press again to hold the measurement. Class IIA laser product. At number 3, Leica Disto D2 New 330 feet laser. The Leica Disto D2 New is a 7 measurement mode LDM accurate to 1/16 of an inch. It features an intuitive backlit LCD display in a 4 ounces package that is small enough to fit in your pocket. Flip out the intelligent endpiece to 90 to hook onto outside corners or extend the endpiece fully for inside corners. The D2 New will automatically measure from the end of its flip-out endpiece when fully extended. Combined with the min-max function, the endpiece allows you to get the tool all the way into corners for accurate diagonal measurements. The D2 New calculates area and volume and remembers the last 10 measurements taken. The D2 New includes a Pythagoras function for indirect height or width measurements. This unit contains a Class 2 laser with 1 MW output. At number 2, Leica Geosystems 866090 Lino RGR 200 line laser receiver. Leica Lino products are designed for professionals, making your work easier, and improving your results, by providing excellent quality, performance and well-conceived accessories. The Lino RGR 200 laser receiver is the perfect accessory for all Leica line lasers. Robust IP65 housing with illuminated front and back side display, INCL. Magnets for ceiling attachment and a THOE receiver bracket. Locating red and green laser beams at distances up to 80 meters, 262. Works with Leica Lino L2, L2G, L2P5, L2P5G and L4P1. Top quality products are necessary for top quality work. The professional's choice is always Leica Geosystems. At number 1, General Tools LTM1 2-in-1 laser tape measure. The 50 feet laser built into this tape measure works great. It is easy to change from using the tape to the laser with one hand, particularly because the tape automatically stands out in a locked position, unlike most others where you have to lock with another hand. When you retract the tape, you can easily press the laser for a further distance and the screen, although a little small points right at you when you put it against the wall. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.